Back out to meteorologist Angelica Campos on a beautiful Friday afternoon. More to come, Angelica?
Yes, Kim, a gorgeous day today. The only difference was the cloud cover. We had some nice high clouds moving across the county, and as we take a look right now outside over our Coronado sky cam, you can see some of those high clouds out there. Temperatures around 67 degrees, the winds out of the northwest. And we finally get to tell you even more good news because the temperatures will continue trending near normal, even though we may see a slight warm up this weekend. And that's also happening today. Temperatures are actually a few degrees higher in comparison to yesterday, maybe more than just a few in places like Escondido and Poway. We have 5 degrees higher than yesterday near the coast, actually cooler by 6 degrees here in Oceanside and about the same in La Jolla. The current temperature is 70 degrees in Vista, 57 degrees here in Oceanside. We travel east over towards Ramona, 69, and also in Jamul, and 65 degrees in Chula Vista. So looking at where those clouds are coming from, you can basically see that flow just kind of keeping everything in place. And we talked about this yesterday, how everything is basically moving from west to east. So this is the flow that's going to keep those clouds in place, and it will continue even into tomorrow. The high pressure that will be developing and providing the Santa Ana driven conditions, it is going to be at the surface, but the clouds are actually in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So we have two things going on here. What the temperatures will look like: more 60s to come at the coast, right around 67. That is our slight warm up. You see the temperatures go back down on Monday. Inland communities will stay in the mid-70s, maybe a few places closer to 78 degrees. But next week, the temperatures go back down. And the difference is going to be driven by an upper level system. It'll be the first one of two next week. The first one comes in on Monday. The second one will be here on Thanksgiving Day. And I know when we hear the word system, storm, does that mean there's going to be a chance of rain? At this point, not really. We're going to be dry into next week, but at least the temperatures will stay nice and comfortable. Overnight, dropping to 55 degrees along the coast. Inland communities will see temperatures dipping down to around 50 degrees, adding clouds across the county tonight, and that is helping the temperatures to be a little bit better, at least a few degrees higher overnight. In our 7-day forecast, upper 60s this weekend with a fair amount of clouds for tomorrow, expecting the clouds to start thinning on Sunday as high pressure kind of takes over. But again, weak Santa Ana winds most likely targeting our mountains and foothills. As we head into next week, temperatures will be in the low 70s for inland communities, trending slightly below normal on Thanksgiving Day with only 70 degrees. Plenty of sunshine, but great weather for our holiday. In the mountains, 67 degrees, mostly cloudy with those high clouds streaming into the East County tomorrow. In our deserts, mid-80s, we'll also see some clouds there. Expecting more sunshine next week and temperatures dropping to the mid-70s next Wednesday ahead of Thanksgiving.